How you doing, guys? It's Dean here from We Coach Crypto. I hope you're keeping well and I hope you're having a fantastic day. Right, I want to firstly apologize for not doing regular videos. We've been so busy in the back end building you guys something fantastic for you to take advantage of that's absolutely free. We've built you guys a new Discord server, okay, which has got so many different channels in there, which I will explain to you the benefits of you guys joining our free Discord server towards the end of this video. But firstly, I want to kind of address the elephant in the room, the market. What's going on with the market at the moment? It seems to be a lot of fear in the market. There seems to be a lot of people calling a bear, calling a collapse, calling a correction, a further correction, Bitcoin going down to $35,000, $25,000. I've even seen some traders and analysts saying it's going to go down lower. Me personally, I don't think we're going to go that low. Could we have a further correction? Yes, we can. No one's got a crystal ball, but I don't see us going into a complete bear. We could, but I don't see it at this point. You know, until more analysis comes in front of me and there's a reason for me to think that, I still believe we're in a bull market at the moment. Okay, things can change. Obviously, I haven't got a crystal ball, but an index that I do check quite regularly just to see what the emotions and sentiments are of the whole market, the whole crypto, Bitcoin and larger cryptos it kind of covers, the whole market, okay, and see where it is and see what people's sentiments and emotions are. As a collective, I use the Crypto and Fear Greed Index. And to be fair with you, I wouldn't say it's 100% accurate, but it's very close. It is very close. I've been looking at this for years, and a lot of the big traders and investors all pay attention to this index as well, because it gives you the understanding of the sentiment in the market, how people are feeling, and obviously we know when Bitcoin's absolutely flying and it was at 64,000 and it was breaking new all-time highs, was at extreme fear. You know, we didn't think the market was going to end, we didn't think it was going to pull back, we just thought we're going to keep going. That's when it's run out of extreme greed. When the market's low, when it's absolutely collapsed and everything that, you know, what they've invested is going to go down to zero, there's extreme fear. Now we know as investors, I'm sure you guys know as well, because you're very smart individuals, that the best time to buy is when everybody's fearful. When the markets come down is a brilliant and optimal buying opportunity. Okay, when everyone's getting greedy and the greed index is at 100 or 90 or in the 80s, it's time to sit back and go, hey, hang on a second. The index is kind of screaming that there's ultimate greed in the extreme greed in the market. I maybe want to take some stuff off the table here, put it back into cash, because round the corner there could be a pullback. You know, this scale won't go through it. It'll go to 100 and then we're at extreme greed. It's been right so many times in every single kind of cycle. So, you know, it is something to definitely pay attention to. Like I was going to say, guys, I put on my Instagram a couple of days ago a channel of where Bitcoin's been, okay, and it's the channel that is respected all the way through every cycle, and you see it hitting the top of the channel and the bottom of the channel. The bottom of the channel is when we're in a bear market, the top of the channel is when we've broken new records, and from what I can see is I can't see us in a bear market at this precise moment. Like I said, things can change. Bitcoin's in a journey and we will get to where it needs to get to. You've got to remember, guys, Bitcoin started off at 2 cents. Okay, it's at 50,000 now. You're panicking because it's dropped from 60 down to 50. It's been at 2 cents. It takes time. These things take time. Patience and discipline in this market is what will get you through. If you're looking at trying to make a quick buck today, you know, invest yesterday and try and make a quick buck today, 9 times out of 10 you're going to be disappointed. Things don't work like that. Okay, patience. You got to know what you're buying, and if you know what you're buying and you respect what you're buying and you've done your research, you know, you'll be at peace of mind. If you're buying a coin because it's blown up or your friends told you that it's going to be the next Shiba Inu or it's Kishu or it's one of these doggy coins that, you know, is going to make you rich today but broke tomorrow, you know, we've seen it happen so many times. Realize what you're buying, do your research, pay attention to what you're buying, you know, look at the team. There's so many different ways of strategizing and looking at a project before you invest into it, and I can help you with that. But look, I'm going to move on to it quickly. So yeah, the Fear and Greed Index, check it out, put it bookmark it and have a look at it. You know, when the market starts heating, it's quite a good indicator of when to get out and when to get in. You know, it's not financial advice, it's just something I look at. It's one of the metrics that I look at when I invest in stuff, when I invest into putting more money into the market or taking money out of the market, should I say, as well. Market cap. 2.3 trillion. Right, we've come down and we're still at 2.3 trillion. Do you know what I mean? Like, remember the days when, if you guys have been in the market long enough, when the crypto market as a whole collective was only 300 billion. You know, we're at 2.3 trillion, guys. Do you know what I mean? We're not even broke underneath, and people are panicking and saying it's a market collapse. It's a market collapse. It's Bitcoin's finished now. We're going to go much lower. We're going to go much lower. If in doubt, zoom out. Look at what's happened in previous cycles. I'm not saying it's going to be a complete indicator of what's going to happen in the future, because things do change, but you understand where we've been and where we're going. It gives you kind of an indication of where we're going and what kind of happens and the kind of swings. They say there's about 6 to 7 pullbacks in every cycle, and that's correct. There's sometimes 20 to 30%. And remember another thing, guys, okay? Volatility creates opportunity. Okay, if you're in a market that just goes up 1% a day, or 1%, sorry, not a day, 1% a year, or 5% a year, what kind of gains would you make? Opportunities with 30-40% pullbacks present you massive opportunity to get in, buy something that's quality, obviously, not any old crap, something that's quality. Like, say if it was Bitcoin, or it was Ethereum, or it was you know, XRP, or whatever it is. You know, it gives you an opportunity to buy in at a cheaper rate. You can dollar cost average and build that position up. Do you understand what I mean? There's so many different strategies, but always look at a pullback as an opportunity rather than the market's going down. Okay, yeah. So 2.3 trillion is the market cap. Bitcoin's at 49.2. I think we're going much higher. You know, obviously there is a lot of fear in the market. Use the index. Have a look. When there's extreme greed, time to take money off the table. Use this index, guys. Very good, guys. As promised, I did say we had something special for you that we've been building out for the last month or so, hence why we haven't been doing many videos. We've had our heads down focusing on building our Discord community for We Coach Crypto. So this is one community where everyone can come to, no matter what they're interested in. They could be interested in so many different things to do with crypto, but we feel like we've got everything covered for you guys. And again, it's free. So if you want to have private, you know, if you want to have group chats with me and Funcho about what coins you want to get into, about structuring your portfolio, about, you know, up and coming opportunities, and, you know, all these different things, you know, how do you do something? How do you set a ledger up? How do you set a wallet up? How do you set this up? Where do we think the market's going to go? You know, we will do a weekly AMA. Okay, ask me anything, where it'll be me, Funcho, and my team, all in Discord, and it's free. Remember, guys, we're going to be doing investment opportunities, a channel there for investment opportunities that me and Funcho and our team put. What coins are going to blow up? What opportunities are there in the metaverse? What opportunities are there in NFTs? Because we've got NFT specialists working with us now in our Discord community for you guys to take advantage of. Like I said, it's free. It's free. It's absolutely free. You don't pay a penny for it. Okay, we built it for you guys. We've spent our money to build it for our community, for you guys to take advantage of and win in this market. You know, there's going to be TA specialists in there that work with us in our trading groups to help you with technical analysis questions. We've got market updates, video market updates. I do occasionally on Instagram, but we do a lot more in our inner circle group. That's going to be free for you guys. Okay. We've got you're gonna have access to all our video library, everything, all our setups, and how to set this up, how to set that up, how to get, you know, even things like, you know, how to work your head around the market, so many different things and videos. There's so many there. It's just confusing with how much stuff's actually there for you guys to take advantage of for free. Our NFT service, so you can get in there into our Discord community. Ask our NFT specialist, what's this NFT about? How do I buy an NFT? How do I sell one? What platforms do I go on? You know, how do I analyze if they're going to be worth money or not? You know, it's all right buying an NFT. Is it going to be worth anything? All that's in there for you guys to take advantage of. Trading course, our top trader is going to be in there, giving you trade alerts, okay, giving you market updates. You know, so if you're a long-term investor, or if you're a short-term investor, we've got you covered. This has all been built, guys, for you to take advantage of for free. There's so much more than this, and that's why it's took us so long to build it out, because like, we're on a mission to help 1 million people get into crypto. So we know what kind of things you guys are looking for. If it's market updates, no problem, it's there. You want to know the top coins that we're getting into, and I'm sure you guys have probably heard a lot about metaverse. We've got a metaverse section in there for you guys as well. So there's so much stuff for you guys to take advantage of. You want to stay ahead of the curve. You want to join this group, okay? Like I said, it's absolutely free. Get involved. The link's going to be either in my bio, okay, it'll say Discord on there. If you haven't got a Discord, you need to set one up. It takes 2 minutes. Get your ID and get into the group. We'll unlock it so you can come in straight away once you click the link. Okay, guys, it's very easy. Get involved, guys, because the next couple of years, if you're in the right position, you're going to make a lot of money. Have a great day. Okay? Keep winning.